How to do patient self-registration in Cankado on the web. Visit the link cankado.com and you can see a page as shown. Accept all essential cookies to continue. On clicking this icon on the top right corner, you can select your preferred language. For registering as a new user, click on Register Now. Here, you need to select the user type. Select the option Patient, and click on Select and Next. Now you need to give your details. Select your default language. Select your country. Enter your first name and your last name. Enter your valid email address. Enter a strong password of your choice and re-enter to confirm it. Click on Next and Continue. You need to verify the terms and conditions by ticking on the checkbox as shown and clicking on I accept. After this, you need to make an email verification. You will get a mail from the Cankado support team with a link to verify your account. You need to check your spam folder too, if you haven't received it in your inbox. Now, click on the verification link in the mail. You will get a screen as shown and now you are successfully registered as a patient in Cankado. You can log in on Cankado with the registered email and password to start using the features.